Under the lights, what lace? In the car, what lace? In the gym, what lace? In your face, what lace? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because it is hot. The heat miser is outside. What's going on? So imagine my happiness for the no lace, no case, flip over wig install today. Thank you. Now, before I show you guys how to install this wig on thick, thin, natural, or permed hair, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Now, I already prepped my wig. This is what she is looking like. I blow dried her real big. I don't even know if I have to fluff her. We gonna see. It feels a little damp right here. Oh, that's a comb. Never mind. There's a lot of combs in this bad boy. So what do I gotta do now? Oh, get my hair together, I guess, because there's not really much else for me to do. I don't gotta tint no lace. I don't gotta cut no lace. I just need to prep this little front piece right here of me. My hair's already greased. Let me do, oh, my wig cap here. They did send me a headband. However, the outfit that I'm wearing doesn't match this headband, so I'm gonna use a black one. Ooh, I got a butt cramp. If you know, you know. Good grief, what are those? Push that all back. Y'all see my hairline is looking pretty good. Leaving it the alone, period. I know y'all be seeing me wearing these lace wigs, but in between those, I do different styles to let my hairline breathe. I want to make sure I'm gonna hold on to, you know, what I got left or what I'm trying to grow. Wearing lace wigs every single day, it's gonna take them edges right off. So we're gonna go ahead and get a little change up in here. I want to do the flip over method first, so I'm gonna do the bump out. So let me just put it on real quick so I can see where the bump out is going to be. Now y'all know I ain't using no combs, so don't even ask me. I did trim my hair. It was 20 inches, but I didn't want that long of a length for this style. I wanted it to be a little bit shorter. So I cut about 1 inch off. Nothing crazy. This one is too long. What's this? You know what? I don't care. Just cut it off. If you hangling and dangling, I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. But y'all see how this is looking already? I was a little iffy about them kinky edges on this hairline, but it's blending into my hair, so okay. I'm not gonna bump up this side. I'm just gonna bump up this side right here. I'm gonna bump it up before I tighten it down just to make sure it's in the right place. Get this side bumped up. I'm not bringing it all the way out. You're gonna see what I'm doing. I'm gonna add the gel to it. Could you bring all your hair out in the front? Of course. Am I going to do that? No. I'm gonna pull it up as close as I can get it to the front, and then I'm gonna take the little pull lock system in the back to tighten it down. Take my Eco Styler gel, put it on top of the bump out. Take these glasses off. Y'all see how easy this is? And I'm pretty sure this wig is pretty affordable. With all that's going on right now, we need all the savings we can get. Use them coupons too. I'm just gonna brush it like this. Again, not brushing anything out. I'm gonna brush it flat to help with the bump out. I can't see. I'm trying to do this in the dark. My hair is still under the wig. Adding the gel and then brushing it into the hair like this helps it blend a little bit better. Now obviously when it dries down, it won't be as shiny. I did use the Mousse Texture Foam by The Dew. This is my second or third time using it, and last time I used it in conjunction with my Nairobi, but I didn't do that this time, and I'm not really sure I like that by itself. It kind of dries a little crunchy, and it leaves the hair a little bit more stringy looking than I like for my wigs. I like my kinky curly wigs to be a little bit more clumped. So I'm just gonna kind of rake through the hair a bit with my fingers to kind of break up some of that product. This is taking no time at all. Clip my hair and the wig together to kind of hold that in place. I think I'm gonna leave it how it is. I know my forehead is big, so you know, don't start acting brand new now. Where is my Toppik? I'm gonna use a little bit of the Toppik right here. Comb it in. Not too much, just a teeny bit. I feel like this can be cut a little bit shorter right here. Trim up what you need to trim up if you want to. You don't have to do any of this. Let's do a little bit of makeup. That took me 9 minutes. I'm gonna do a little highlighting to this face. I don't wanna wear any foundation today because I feel like my skin looks really good. Shh, I'm doing my brows. My makeup pad. Make sure I get them eyes brightened up. Even though my forehead is big, I think I love it today. Take my contour palette here. It looks light on the screen, but it's a little bit darker than this. Go right under the eye. Then I'm gonna take the contour shade. Put a little bit on the forehead. Do y'all see the wake up? I'm gonna take my two setting powders. I got translucent and honey. I'm gonna take a little bit of the translucent, tap it in the excess, and then I'm gonna dip it also in the honey, and then tap it. And then tap that under the eye. Use it on the rest of the areas you use concealer. You can add a little bit under the cheekbone to kind of pop it out if you want. While that is sitting, I'm gonna do my mascara because I'm not gonna wear lashes today. When that man said you got 5 minutes, he ain't gonna leave you. This is the type of getting ready I'm talking about. Come in my room looking like why? Walking out looking like hi, how you doing? And then spray it down with your set and mist. I want a little bit of highlight, just a smidge. Use it from the same contour palette. It's kind of like a bronzy highlighter. See that? Put some on the nose, some on the Cupid's bow. I can do some powder on the eyes if I wanted to. I don't think I'm gonna do that today though. I kind of like how this is looking. Let me see. Come up close. Y'all know I can't see nothing. I think that looks great. The more you wear the hair, the more it will dry down and fluff up. But because I just did this, the hair is very like new looking. So I like my wigs to look very lived in, almost dry. Take this clip out. Let me go get dressed because I think I'm done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look with the flip over. Y'all know I've been in the gym getting it tight. Some of y'all be asking me, how do I keep my wigs, you know, laid down in the gym? I don't. You will rarely catch me wearing a wig in a gym, but in the off chance that I happen to wear a wig in the gym, I'm either gonna tie it down, wear a headband wig, or a half wig. The whole goal is to try to preserve the hairstyle. And there's no lace. What lace? Under the lights, what lace? In the car, what lace? In the gym, what lace? In your face, what lace? It's always that one Brenda that be trying. You can't tell me nothing today. I am hot though. I stepped outside for 2 seconds and I'm already beating up a piece of sweat. My bracelets, ring-a-ling-a-ling. Is it Christmas yet? Shh, quiet, quiet. No, it is not, but you can go ahead and add this one to the list, or you can just buy it yourself because it is a little bit more, you know, affordable. I'm more than likely going to change mine to the headband look. That's just the look that I'm going for today, but I wanted to show you guys how the flip over was looking on me first. Let me just take it off really quick so I can flatten this back down right here. Put my wig cap back over it. Put my headband on. Shake it out because it's styled in the flip over. Hey, I don't need no bobby pins. You can use the comb or just lock it down in place with the drawstring. Lock it down, lock it down. I'm gonna take a little bit of gel and fix the hairs that I want down. And I want this down right here. Get a little gel right there, right there. Get the rest of that back. I had a bobby pin in here. There it is. I saw something glistening. Pop it up, and there we go. Looks a little white over there. All right, fluff it up. So yeah, there's the headband look. I saw a scraggly somewhere. Get up out of there. Listen, the looks give themselves. Y'all see my hairline, it's not the thickest. So even with a thinner hairline, I'm able to make this wig work for me. It doesn't matter if your hair is natural or permed. You can still rock this wig. No bobby pins, no combs. I use the drawstring only. My wig, it don't move. Now if you snatch it, but don't snatch it because I got cousins and friends who like to fight. So are the headband wigs coming back? I hope so. It was a time. I will be rocking this wig all weekend. Once you do the initial, you know, prep for the wig, that's pretty much it. I'm a low maintenance, low manipulation type of wig girly. And some of y'all be asking me, is the wig hot? Huh? Anything around your neck is gonna bring the heat. Unless it's a pixie cut, it's gonna be hot. Kinky curly, hot. Jerry curly, hot. Kinky straight, hot. Yaki straight, hot. Silky straight, hot. All the hair is hot, especially if it's hot outside. So pin her up, especially with this headband on. Pin her up. So yeah, see you later. later. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.